Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani Coder, and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So today's challenge is design a doormat. Here we have to design a doormat that of size n cross m, and m is 3 times of n, and every design should have welcome return in the center, and we only use a pipe, comma, a period and a hyphen characters only. For example, if our n is 7 and m is 21, so we have to print something like this. Okay, our width is 21. Here width is 21. Okay, so we are going to code for this challenge in 3 different parts. First, for the upper pattern, then for our welcome message, and our third part is going to be our lower pattern. So let's start doing this in our Jupyter notebook. Here, for our first part, we are going to use a for loop. Okay, so let's first take our inputs. Okay, so n comma m is equals to okay. Now we have our n comma m, and our c is equals to is going to be a period followed by a pipe and then again a period. Okay, a thickness is going to be n by 2. Okay, so let's take our input as 7, 21. Okay, for our upper pattern, let's take an list named as upper pattern, empty list. Okay, so for I in range of thickness, okay, I just spelled thickness wrong, thickness, and our string is going to be something like this: C into 2 times I plus 1 dot center m comma space, sorry, hyphen, because our welcome, because of we have to center it, our whole string, using hyphens. Okay, so our this part of code will be this, and by using center we are going to add hyphens around this string. Now, okay, so we have our string, so we have to append a string. So upper pattern dot append string. So let's look at our upper pattern. It's like this. Okay, now we are going to code for our welcome message. Welcome message. Okay. I am writing this welcome message inside of square braces because at the end we are going to combine upper pattern, welcome, and our lower pattern using .join method, because the join method only accepts the list as an input, so we can't pass a string there. So I'm going to write the welcome message inside of a square braces. Okay, so just we are going to welcome, and using center method I'm going to cover it all with hyphens. Okay, okay, so let's take a look at welcome. It's Same. Now our lower pattern, when we see our upper pattern, wait, I'm just going to print our upper pattern. Okay, it's like this. Okay, but we want our lower pattern to be opposite of the upper pattern. Okay, so if our upper pattern looks like this, I need my lower pattern to be upside down. So I am just going to do this. Lower pattern is equals to upper pattern of, I'm just going to reverse the list. Okay, so when we look at our lower pattern, it's the opposite of the upper pattern. Okay, so let's now join all these and print it out. Okay, so print using dot join method. I'm going to pass our first upper pattern plus welcome plus lower pattern. Okay, now but I want every element on a new line, so I'm just going to pass here \n. So we got our design of doormat. So let's copy these codes and paste it here. Okay, so let's copy all this and paste it here one by one. Upper pattern, our welcome message. I forgot the W here. Okay, now our last lower pattern and print function. Lower pattern and I'm just print function over here, print. So let's run our code and see what we get. Okay, what's missing here? Everything is good. So, okay, uh, every letter welcome has to be capitalized, uppercase. Okay, just done. So let's now run our code again. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run. So let's submit our code. Our all test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.